Let me share with you how to make Coca-Cola chicken wings. This dish is famous for being wonderfully sweet, delightfully sticky, and so Moorish that you will find it hard to stop after just one. We begin with about 500 grams of chicken wings. Place them in a pot and cover them completely with cold water from the tap. This helps to ensure they cook evenly. To the pot, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. This will help remove any strong smells from the chicken. Bring the water to a boil and let the wings cook for 3 minutes. After this, remove them from the pot and set them aside. Place a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Carefully place the chicken wings in the pan. Let them cook until the underside becomes a beautiful golden brown. Then flip them over to brown the other side. This step builds a deep savory flavor. While the wings are browning, prepare the sauce base. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for color, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir this until the sugar begins to dissolve. Once the wings are golden on both sides, pour a standard 330 ml can of cola into the pan. The bubbles will sizzle wonderfully as they hit the hot surface. Now pour the soy sauce and sugar mixture over the chicken wings. Gently stir to make sure every wing is coated in the liquid. The combination of the cola and soy will create a rich aromatic sauce. Let the wings simmer gently in the sauce for about 10 minutes. During this time, the sauce will reduce slightly and the chicken will become tender and soak up all the sweet and savory flavors. After 10 minutes, increase the heat to high. Let the sauce bubble and reduce until it becomes thick and glossy, clinging to each chicken wing like a perfect glaze. The first bite delivers a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and umami that is deeply satisfying. This is a dish that is sure to impress.